So this is how we're gonna flush the coolant. It's quite hard to see in there, but there still is some shit in there. What we do is we pull off this clip here and then pull off the pipe, and then this is the only bit of pipe I had lying around. So this metal piece is actually just the inside of the pen, cut there and cut there, and it fits. You can push that in there as a joiner, and then we have a bucket, and I'm just going to pop the other end of that, so that'll be joined up like this. I'll have to use two hands, but so I'm after doing the initial flush, and this is the scale I'm after getting out of it. So you can kind of see it if I move it around already. So we're putting this in, recycling the coolant. So what we'll do is we'll run the engine at high idle with something on the accelerator. I have a pedal presser there, so make sure the engine's warm first, and then put your pedal compressor down, and it will go to 2,500 RPM, and then this will just start coming out. What you do is let it run down till the bottle's empty, and then keep topping it up with the still water until it runs clean. So we're going to replace the bottle here. You just undo this clip, pull this one off. Same here, push back on the clip and pull it off. It's just a standard Volkswagen kind of clip, you can see there if you pull back on it. And then this one here, push back on that. And lift it up out of the way. And then you're just going to have to grab the bottle and pull it out of these two back clips. You can kind of see them there. You can get a screwdriver in if it needs be. Then we're going to get that bottom pipe off. So the bottom pipe sits on there. Has a clip on it. You can kind of see it there. So you can use something like this, or maybe this, to get them off. Pretty straightforward, and then just refit that.